The 2019 Encore is one of the thriftiest hybrids you can purchase. With the accessibility of all-wheel drive and two-motor decisions, efficiency can shift significantly with the 2019 Encore. All arrangements score superior to 30 miles per gallon on the expressway, with a redesigned Turbo 4 procuring marginally higher imprints. We Euro3 evaluated the Encore 6 out of 10 for solid roadway mileage and satisfactory figures in all cases. Overhauled 153 horsepower Encores can accomplish up to 27 city, 33 parkway, 30 joined, while the standard model pulls a respectable 26/21/28 of a mile per gallon rating. These figures were accomplished in the front-wheel drive models of the Encore. The Euro TMS imperative to take note of that, while the all the more groundbreaking motor may actually devour more fuel, it has less strain generally speaking to push the Encore not far off, which enhances the mileage numbers. Stop, begin innovation likewise cuts the motor at stoplights and longer delays in heading to expand mileage.